Let's look at how Drive by UAGenius manages creative assets when the library becomes large in this video. When a game has been running user acquisition for a few months, there are many creatives sitting in Google Drive or a shared folder somewhere. We have batches from different variations, assets from multiple team members, old campaigns, and new tests. The library grows quickly, and when it's time to choose what goes into this week's upload or the next test cycle, the question isn't where the files are. It's how to find the right ones among all these options. Drive is designed for this. It doesn't just store creatives, it helps us navigate them and bulk upload into ad channels. In Drive, we have separate workspaces for each game. Creatives from the last several months sit alongside new batches that just came out of recent variations. Whether it's videos, images, or different formats, everything the team creates or generates is stored here. Every asset comes with metadata. This includes file name, format, dimensions, duration, and size. These are automatically captured at upload. Here we see some filters. This is where Drive stands out from regular storage systems. We can filter by type of asset. We can also filter by ad platform. For example, we can select unused ads, ads already uploaded to Meta, or ads on Google Ads. This makes it easy to narrow the library to just the creatives available for the next upload. There's no need to cross-reference spreadsheets or check ad platform dashboards to see what's already live. All the unused ads are here. We can also filter by the owner of the asset and by upload date range. Now, we have even more filters beyond the basics. We can filter by the exact file format, duration, and dimensions of the asset as well. Just below, there are the custom properties. These are tags defined during game setup. We can use tags like creative concept, which could be gameplay highlight, character spotlight, or feature showcase. For style, we have values like modern, retro, anime, and realistic. All of these are configurable and can be tagged during upload. Let's select character spotlight from here and modern from here, then apply. Every asset can be tagged with these during upload. Later, these tags become filters, so the library can be narrowed to something very specific. The more consistently these tags get filled in at upload, the more useful the system becomes. Over time, the library starts to develop a kind of memory. Finding what's relevant stops being a search task for the creatives sitting in the library. This is how you can access comments. Comments show us the context, what the original feedback was, whether it was tested before, why it didn't go out the first time, and all the other cases. All this information helps us decide if it's worth pulling into the next campaign or if there was a reason it stayed on the shelf. So, the right creatives are filtered, reviewed, and ready. From here, we can select these creatives directly and bulk upload from the same place. Once we select, we get an option to choose the platform. We can select from the available options with more options coming soon. With just a click, we can upload all the creatives in one go. We can find, filter, review, and upload all from the same place. The library compounds. Every creative that comes through gets tagged, gets status, gets performance data, and the next selection cycle starts from a better position than the last one. That's Drive. To see how it works with your creatives, check out UAGenius now.